Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a currency counting machine works step by step. First, the operator places a bundle of banknotes into the input tray, which is also called the hopper. This hopper holds the notes in the correct position so the machine can start processing them smoothly. Next, the feeding mechanism begins working. Inside the machine, rubber feed rollers grip the notes and pull them one by one. This is important because it helps prevent two notes from passing together and reduces the chance of double counting. After that, each note passes through different sensors. These sensors check the size, thickness, and position of every note. As a result, the machine can identify problems such as folded notes, double notes, chain notes, or misfed notes. Then, the counting process starts at high speed. As each note moves through the machine, the internal counter records it instantly. The number on the display increases automatically, allowing the operator to see the total count in real time. Moreover, many currency counting machines also check for fake or suspicious notes. They may use ultraviolet, magnetic, infrared, and image detection technology to verify the authenticity of the currency. Therefore, if a note looks unusual, the machine can alert the operator. In addition, smart counting machines can recognize different denominations. This means the machine does not only count the number of notes, but it can also calculate the total value of mixed currency bundles. After recognition, the machine sorts the notes and rejects errors. For example, damaged notes, folded notes, suspicious notes, or notes placed in the wrong direction may be sent to a reject pocket. This allows the operator to check those notes manually. Next, all correctly counted notes move into the output tray. The machine stacks them neatly so they are easy to collect, recount, band, or store. Then, the final result appears on the display screen. The screen usually shows the number of notes, the total amount, the selected mode, and any warning messages if errors are found. Finally, the counted bundle is removed from the output tray. At this stage, the notes are ready for recounting, bundling, banking, or safe storage. Overall, the main parts of a currency counting machine include the hopper, feed rollers, sensors, control panel, display screen, reject pocket, and output tray. Together, these parts help the machine count cash quickly, accurately, and safely. Therefore, currency counting machines are very useful in banks, shops, offices, and businesses that handle large amounts of cash. They save time, reduce manual effort, improve accuracy, and help detect counterfeit or suspicious notes. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.